Honda Prelude Type R valve cover. Cast aluminum with DOHC VTEC lettering. Forged I-beam connecting rods and nitride hardened crankshaft. The rotating assembly is complete. H22A Type R engine block. Closed deck cast iron with FRM cylinder liners. Ported cylinder head with 5-angle valve job. Beehive springs and 270-degree cams. Skunk2 Pro Series intake manifold. Dual runner design with 70mm throttle body. 421 tubular exhaust header. Ceramic coated for heat management and scavenging. High volume oil pump with 8-lobe rotor. Relief valve opens at 85 psi. 6-vane water pump with cast impeller. Thermostat opens at 78 degrees Celsius. 90 amp alternator with lightweight pulley. 6-rib serpentine belt and automatic tensioner. Aeromotive fuel rail with 1000 cc injectors. Pressure regulator holds 58 psi. Coil-on-plug ignition system. Iridium spark plugs with 0.028 gap. Hondata S300 engine control unit. 16-bit with 4-bar map sensor and USB tuning. VTEC system engages at 5800 RPM. Hydraulic pin locks the rocker arms. T2W4 transmission with helical limited slip differential. Carbon-coated synchros for smooth shifts. 11.5-pound chromoly flywheel. 6-puck ceramic clutch with 3,200-pound clamp. Equal-length drive shafts with 32-spline CV joints. No torque steer under power. 2.5-inch stainless exhaust. 200-cell catalytic converter. And 3-inch tip. Dual-core Koyo aluminum radiator with 12-inch electric fan. 1.1 bar cap. 11.1-inch drilled rotors. 4-piston Willwood calipers with race compound pads. Front double wishbone suspension. Öhlins coilovers with 12 kilogram per millimeter springs. Quick ratio steering rack. 2.5 turns lock to lock. Power assisted at 1200 psi. Full Prelude Type R assembly complete. 17-inch SSR wheels with 225 tires. Engine start sequence. Oil pressure rises to 75 psi. Coolant climbs to 90 degrees Celsius. Idle air control valve stabilizes at 850 RPM. Lambda 0.98. Throttle opens 50%. Injector pulse width increases from 2 to 8 milliseconds. VTEC engages at 5800 RPM. Valve lift increases to 12.5 millimeters. Full throttle pull. LSD transfers torque to the gripping wheel. Exhaust gas temp, 850. Braking from 80 miles per hour. Fluid pressure spikes to 1200 psi. 0.95 lateral G in cornering. 22mm anti-roll bar controls body roll. Oil temperature drops from 120 to 105. 16-row C-trap cooler. Disassembly begins. Intake manifold removed. Fasteners organized in magnetic tray. Valve cover removed. Camshafts extracted. Timing chain tensioner retracted. Cylinder head lifts off. Multi-layer steel gasket removed. Crosshatch bores visible. Oil pan removed. Pickup tube and oil pump extracted. Windage tray unclipped. Connecting rod caps off. Pistons extracted from cylinders 1 through 4. Main bearing caps removed. Crankshaft lifted out. Block now completely stripped. Transmission separated. Clutch disc and pressure plate removed. Flywheel unbolted. Tsukuba circuit lap time. 1 minute, 4.5. Track proven performance. 90mm stroke. 87mm bore. 11.5 compression ratio. Power, efficiency, and reliability balanced. linear throttle response throughout the range. Build your own Prelude Type R. Experience the engineering difference. Honda Prelude Type R works. Precision engineering, pure performance.